Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of natural remedies with a focus on oregano oil. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the most incredible health benefits this essential oil has to offer. Oregano, scientifically known as Origanum vulgare, is a fragrant herb commonly used in cooking and traditional medicine. It's native to the Mediterranean region and has been utilized for centuries for its culinary and therapeutic properties. The oil derived from oregano, specifically from the leaves of the plant, has gained attention due to its potential health benefits. Oregano oil contains compounds such as carvacrol and thymol, which are believed to have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. These components contribute to its use as a natural remedy for various health issues, including respiratory infections, digestive problems, and skin conditions. The discovery and exploration of oregano oil's potential benefits are deeply rooted in traditional practices. It has been used for its antimicrobial properties in ancient Greek, Roman, and Egyptian civilizations. However, the modern scientific exploration of oregano oil's effects began in the mid-20th century. Research on the antimicrobial properties of oregano oil gained momentum in the 1990s and early thousands. Studies suggested that the oil could be effective against various bacterial, fungal, and viral infections. It also sparked interest in the food industry for its potential as a natural preservative due to its antimicrobial properties. Now let's examine these health benefits one after the other. Number 1 on our list is immune system boost. Oregano oil is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. Oregano oil is widely recognized for its potential to boost the immune system. This is due to its rich content of antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting the body from oxidative stress, which is linked to various health issues and can weaken the immune system over time. Oregano oil's high concentration of antioxidants also helps to prevent cellular damage, thus supporting overall immune function. By targeting and inhibiting the growth of harmful microorganisms, oregano oil can assist in preventing infections and illnesses that might otherwise challenge the immune system. Oregano oil's immune-boosting effects extend beyond its direct impact on pathogens. It's believed that this oil might also modulate the immune response by stimulating the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. Additionally, oregano oil's anti-inflammatory properties could contribute to immune support. Chronic inflammation can compromise immune function, so by reducing inflammation, the oil indirectly helps to maintain a robust immune system. Proceeding further, our number 2 is respiratory health. Struggling with respiratory issues. Oregano oil, renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties, serves as a remarkable remedy to alleviate congestion and promote respiratory wellness. When congestion strikes, the airways can become clogged with mucus, leading to discomfort and difficulty in breathing. Oregano oil steps in as a powerful decongestant, working to break down stubborn mucus and facilitate its expulsion from the respiratory tract. Its expectorant qualities enable the body to effectively eliminate phlegm, providing much-needed relief to individuals suffering from respiratory distress. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of oregano oil play a pivotal role in reducing the inflammation that often accompanies congestion. This helps in alleviating the swelling of the nasal passages and airways, allowing for improved airflow and ease of breathing. The oil's natural ability to soothe irritated tissues contributes to an overall sense of comfort, making it an essential companion during bouts of colds, coughs, and sinus congestion. What sets oregano oil apart is its holistic approach to respiratory health. Its potent antimicrobial properties help combat infections that might exacerbate congestion. By targeting harmful bacteria and viruses, oregano oil can contribute to a faster recovery and prevent the escalation of mild respiratory issues into more serious conditions. The third health benefit of oregano oil is digestive aid. Incorporating oregano oil into your routine can offer notable benefits for your digestion. Oregano oil's essential compounds possess strong antimicrobial properties that help in maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for proper digestion. Carvacrol, one of the key components in oregano oil, has been shown to help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, allowing for smoother movement of food. This can lead to a reduction in bloating and discomfort, as well as improved digestion overall. Moreover, the oil's anti-inflammatory properties can also contribute to soothing irritation within the digestive system, potentially alleviating symptoms of indigestion such as heartburn and acid reflux. The antimicrobial nature of oregano oil extends its benefits beyond digestion. It can help eliminate harmful pathogens that might disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome, thus aiding in the prevention of digestive issues caused by bacterial imbalances. This can be especially beneficial for individuals who experience recurring digestive problems or are prone to infections. When using oregano oil for digestive support, it's essential to do so in a controlled manner. Oregano oil is highly concentrated, so it's advisable to dilute it properly before use. You can mix a few drops of oregano oil with a carrier oil, like olive or coconut oil, before ingesting it. Alternatively, some people prefer to add diluted oregano oil to a glass of water or a warm cup of herbal tea. As with any supplement or natural remedy, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating oregano oil into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Number 4. Oregano can improve anti-aging effects. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cellular damage and contributing to the aging process. Oregano oil's impressive arsenal of antioxidants, including compounds like rosmarinic acid and thymol, plays a pivotal role in neutralizing these harmful free radicals. The anti-aging effects of oregano oil are closely tied to its ability to mitigate oxidative stress. As we age, our cells become more susceptible to the damaging effects of free radicals, resulting in a range of health issues and outward signs of aging such as wrinkles, fine lines, and decreased skin elasticity. The antioxidants found in oregano oil work to counteract this process by preventing the harmful effects of oxidative stress on cellular components such as proteins, lipids, and DNA. Furthermore, oregano oil's potential anti-aging properties extend beyond its antioxidant capacity. Some studies suggest that oregano oil may contribute to a more youthful appearance and improved overall health. Chronic inflammation is a known contributor to various age-related conditions, and by reducing inflammation, oregano oil could potentially help mitigate the risk of certain diseases and promote longevity. On number 5 is the skin health benefit. Oregano oil's remarkable antibacterial and antifungal properties make it a potent natural remedy for a wide range of skin issues. When it comes to skin health, this essential oil has gained recognition for its ability to combat problems like acne, fungal infections, and more. Applying oregano oil topically can yield impressive results due to its unique combination of active compounds. In the case of acne, oregano oil's antimicrobial properties can help to reduce the population of acne-causing bacteria on the skin's surface. The oil's components, such as carvacrol and thymol, possess powerful antibacterial qualities that can aid in clearing up breakouts. By applying a diluted solution of oregano oil to the affected areas, individuals can potentially experience a reduction in inflammation and the appearance of blemishes. Fungal infections, including conditions like athlete's foot or ringworm, can also be effectively addressed using oregano oil. Its potent antifungal properties have been shown to inhibit the growth and spread of fungi. Regular application of oregano oil on the affected skin can help alleviate itching, redness, and discomfort associated with these infections. It's important to note that oregano oil is highly concentrated and potent, so it should always be diluted before being applied to the skin. This can be achieved by mixing a few drops of oregano oil with a carrier oil such as coconut oil or jojoba oil. This not only ensures safety, but also prevents skin irritation or sensitization that can occur when using undiluted essential oils. Overall, the powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties of oregano oil make it a valuable addition to skincare routines. Whether you're dealing with acne, fungal infections, or other skin concerns, this natural remedy offers a potential solution that is worth exploring with caution and care. Our number 6 is oregano oil's health benefit for pain relief. Oregano oil's anti-inflammatory properties extend to pain relief. When harnessed for its medicinal properties, oregano oil may offer a natural and holistic approach to alleviating discomfort, especially in conditions like arthritis. When applied topically, oregano oil's properties have been studied for their ability to help reduce inflammation and pain. A diluted mixture of oregano oil and carrier oil can be gently massaged onto the affected areas, providing a soothing effect and potentially aiding in the management of arthritis-related pain. Moreover, ingesting oregano oil in controlled and appropriate doses might also contribute to pain relief. The oil's components can work internally to combat inflammation, which is a common underlying factor in conditions like arthritis. Oregano oil's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents may help to alleviate discomfort by targeting the root causes of pain rather than just the symptoms. It's important to note that while oregano oil holds promise as a natural pain relief option, individual reactions may vary. Consulting a healthcare professional before incorporating oregano oil into your pain management regimen is recommended. They can provide personalized guidance, taking into account factors such as your health history, ongoing treatments, and potential interactions with other medications. Finally, oregano oil provides mental health benefits. Beyond its potential physical health benefits, oregano oil has shown promise in positively impacting mental well-being as well. The aromatic qualities of oregano oil have been the focus of numerous studies, revealing intriguing links to stress and anxiety reduction. Research has demonstrated that certain aromas can have a powerful influence on our emotions and mental state. Oregano oil, with its rich and distinct scent, seems to possess properties that can evoke a sense of calm and relaxation. Inhaling the fragrance of oregano oil might trigger the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are associated with feelings of happiness and relaxation. The olfactory system, responsible for our sense of smell, is intricately connected to the brain's limbic system, often referred to as the emotional brain. This connection means that scents can directly impact our emotions, mood, and even memory. In the case of oregano oil, the aroma could potentially stimulate a sense of tranquility, helping to alleviate the symptoms of stress and anxiety. Moreover, the act of engaging with pleasant scents like oregano oil can be part of a broader self-care routine. Incorporating aromatherapy into one's daily life can create a soothing ritual that promotes mental well-being. Whether it's through diffusing the oil, using it in a massage, or adding a few drops to a bath, the application of oregano oil in such practices can provide moments of mindfulness and relaxation. It's important to note that while there's promising evidence regarding oregano oil's potential impact on mental health, individual experiences may vary. In conclusion, the alluring aroma of oregano oil holds the potential to positively influence mental well-being. Its stress-reducing and anxiety-relieving properties, when combined with mindful practices, can contribute to a holistic approach to mental health that focuses on both physical and emotional aspects. From boosting your immune system to supporting skin health, oregano oil's incredible benefits make it a versatile addition to your natural remedy toolkit. Remember, though, it's crucial to use essential oils safely and consult a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your routine. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of health and wellness. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Share your thoughts and experiences with oregano oil in the comments below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.